Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is for your portable sensory toolkit or your sensory diet at home. If you want to kick it up a notch, you can add a cue card to your portable sensory diet. Now, the reason we would want to add a cue card to a portable sensory diet is to teach a child what strategies are working for them. We're sort of condensing the strategies so that way your child can see what is helpful and that they can start to make their own independent choices with the sensory toolkit. So when I'm talking about a cue card, I'm referring to basically taking a little piece of paper. I laminated this one. I just made small little pictures and added them on in terms of sensory diet strategies. This will be individualized based on your child and what you have and what works, okay? So in my card here, I have a variety of different strategies. So I have things like move something, which is a heavy work type of task. I have something like get deep pressure and a little picture of somebody squeezing putty. And remember, you can have actual pictures of your child doing something that's in the sensory toolkit, or you can cut and paste pictures or take them off Google Images, whatever works for you. So, I have take a deep breath. Again, that's a relaxation strategy, right? So all of these different strategies are here on the card, and the idea is that when your child is looking out of sorts, when they're looking like they need some self-regulation, you would take out the cue card and ask them to pick, depending on what you're using, depending on what they respond to. You may only want to put one or two or three choices. I just added more in here just for examples so you could see. So do this based on your child and based on how they integrate information. So the bottom line is you take out the cue card, you have them make a choice. Now hopefully this type of a system will become internalized and the pictures will become highly familiar so that they'll understand that when they need to work on some self-regulation, they have choices. The choices are able to be condensed and hopefully when they're put in this kind of a pictorial format, memorized and internalized more easily. So if you'd like to add this to your sensory toolkit, please give this a try. It can be very, very effective. And as kids age, this could be just a little cue card that they can sort of have with them in a backpack if they need to recall a strategy or if you need to share information with other people in your child's life. You can certainly show them this and let them know that these are the things that work for your child. So this can be useful on multiple levels in terms of communication. Thank you.